everything. Unlike bright or patterned versions, black flip-flops complement almost any outfit: shorts, jeans, dresses, even swimwear. This makes them an essential item in any summer wardrobe. They're the little black dress of footwear, simple, functional, and endlessly reliable. Let's talk materials. From foam soles to rubber, leather, or even eco-friendly options made from recycled materials, black flip-flops come in all forms. Some offer arch support, others focus on ultra-lightweight comfort. There are luxury versions with premium leather straps, and budget options perfect for the poolside. The color black adds a sleek, minimal aesthetic that gives even cheap models a touch of class. Despite their simplicity, flip-flops have a rich cultural and historical background. Versions